Introduction to the Solar System, a beginner's guide. The solar system, a vast expanse of space that holds within it our home planet Earth, as well as 8 other planets, dwarf planets, and countless other celestial bodies. It's a wonder of the universe that has fascinated humans for centuries. From the earliest civilizations who used the stars to navigate and tell time to modern-day space exploration, we have always been captivated by the mysteries of our solar system. In this beginner's guide, we will take a closer look at our solar system, its history, and what we know about each of its unique planets. The solar system is made up of the Sun at its center, surrounded by 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. In addition to these planets, there are also dwarf planets like Pluto, asteroids, comets, and other objects that orbit the Sun. The Sun is the center of our solar system and is responsible for providing light and heat to all of the planets. It is a massive ball of gas that is constantly undergoing nuclear fusion and is so large that it could fit over 1 million Earths inside of it. The closest planet to the Sun is Mercury. It's a small planet with a rocky surface that is heavily cratered due to its lack of an atmosphere. It's also the fastest planet in our solar system, taking only 88 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is often referred to as Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and composition. However, its atmosphere is incredibly thick, trapping heat and creating a greenhouse effect that makes it the hottest planet in our solar system. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and is the only planet known to support life. It has a diverse range of ecosystems and is home to millions of species, including humans. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun and is often referred to as the red planet due to its reddish appearance. It has a thin atmosphere and a rocky surface that is home to the largest volcano in our solar system, Olympus Mons. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system and is known for its massive size and swirling storms, including the famous Great Red Spot. It's a gas giant with no solid surface and has over 79 moons. Saturn is known for its beautiful rings, made up of ice particles and rock fragments. It's also a gas giant with no solid surface and has over 82 moons. Uranus is an ice giant with a unique feature. It rotates on its side. It has a faint ring system and over 27 moons. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun and is also an ice giant. It has a faint ring system and over 14 moons. The solar system is a vast and complex system that we are still learning more about every day. By studying it, we can gain a better understanding of our place in the universe and what lies beyond our own planet.